Hello everyone, welcome back to another Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. My name is Kurlina and this week I'm teaching you guys how to make rice paper sails and how I use them to decorate my Christmas tree cake. So let's get started. To begin, you will need rice paper, and this is the brand that I use. I've cut mine in halves and quarters. Then I'm adding 3 cups of red food coloring to the water and mix it up. You might consider wearing gloves. I totally forgot to buy them, so I'm using my bare hands. I dipped each rice paper in the colored water and allow it to soften. This will take about 5 minutes to soften. Once they are softened, I placed them onto a crinkled non-stick baking paper. And crinkle the rice paper as you want. I allowed them to dry out for about 12 hours. The drying process totally depends on the size of the sail that you're making, so a bigger sail will take more time to dry out. Once dry, I carefully peeled them off the baking paper, and there you have it, easy rice paper sails. Now to decorate my cake, I just placed the rice paper sails onto my cake and helped them stick with some buttercream. If you want to learn how to make the basic shape of the Christmas tree, make sure to check out my previous video where I show you how I make a fault line Christmas tree cake. I will put the link in the description box below. For the little gaps, I made little rice paper sails to fit in. And here's the finished cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find me on Facebook and Instagram at Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.